Good morning everyone. Today we are going to show you how to insert the SIM card and connect the antennas on the CM210 4GX router. Let's get the router out of the box. So the unit comes with a quick setup guide. And here's the router. The first thing we need to do is remove the SIM card cover. And here, as you can see, we have two SIM card slots. So I have here two SIM cards. You can use one if you want to, if you're not using failover. So the first SIM card goes in SIM 1, which is the upper slot. Here we go. And the second SIM I have here, a Vodafone SIM card, goes in the lower slot, which is SIM slot 2. Okay, so this will act as a failover. If SIM 1 fails, the unit will connect automatically to SIM 2, and vice versa. If SIM 2 fails, it will connect back to SIM 1. Okay, now here we replace the cover. Okay, now here we have a terminal block socket. As you can see to the side here, we have V plus, V minus, and this is to power up the unit. We have the AC adapter, and the unit comes with this terminal block. Here we go. But I'm not going to power up the unit just yet. We need to connect the antennas first. But first, let me tell you about the rest. On this terminal block here, we have serial communication. So you have RX, TX, and ground, the 3 pins. Next to it, we have 2 digital input for event triggering. And the last one is digital output. You can, via SMS, send a command to control a pump, for example, or an air conditioner. Let's connect the antennas. Now the antennas, we have, as you can see, 4 SMA connectors, 2 for Wi-Fi and 2 for cellular. And the antennas that come in the box are the magnetic base antennas. So we have 2 for Wi-Fi, so connect the Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi 1 and Wi-Fi 2. I'm not going to do it now. And then we have 2 cellular antennas. So these are the cellular antennas. Again, they connect to these 2 sockets here. As you can see, the antennas come with a 3-meter cable. So it is recommended that you position the antenna as high as you can, ideally next to a window to get a good signal reception. If you have a weak signal, we recommend that you replace these with a high gain antenna, omni or directional. Here we have 2 Ethernet ports for Ethernet communication. One of the Ethernet ports can be turned into a WAN port for fixed line communication. Here we have a console port, a reset button to hardware reset the router if required, and the LED. The LED is here to the side. Now the next step, of course, is to power up the unit, which I am not going to do in this video. And the unit, if you have a Telstra SIM, by default will connect automatically because it is configured to Telstra.internet APN. But if you have a different SIM, an Optus or a Vodafone or from any other carrier, you will need to configure the APN. So you will need to connect an Ethernet cable to one of the Ethernet ports on one end, to your PC on the other end, access the router, and configure the APN. Last thing I want to show you is, the last thing that comes with the box is a DIN rail bracket, and this is if you wish to connect the mount the unit, I should say, on a DIN rail. We will configure the router in a separate video, as I said. This is just to show you how to insert the SIM cards and how to connect the antennas. Thank you for watching.